Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. Today's recipe is very amazing. Okay, let me give you a hint. Whenever we go to restaurants, we always ask this thing as an accompaniment. Any guesses? It's Sirke Wale Pyaaz or pickled onions or vinegar onions. The ingredients required for this recipe are 15 to 20 small onions or pearl onions or pickled onions, 1 small beetroot peeled and diced, 3 green chillies that we have to slit, 1-inch piece of ginger, 2 teaspoons salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. We also require white vinegar. For the pickled onions, I've taken a glass jar and I advise you to use glass containers because it will make the pickle last longer and are good for your health. Strictly no plastic please. So starting with it, we'll just put a crisscross mark at the back of the onions and we'll put them in this jar. And our onions are done. Then we'll slit the green chilies. Then we're gonna add ginger and the beetroot pieces. These pieces provide the very beautiful and vibrant red color that we see in Sirke Wale Pyaaz or pickled onions. So here it goes. Then we're gonna add salt and sugar. After putting all these things, we'll just shake it a little and it's time to add the vinegar. We have to cover the entire onions with the vinegar. The quantity of the vinegar totally depends upon the size of the container that you are using. I have added 2.5 cups of vinegar. And look at this jar. Then we cover the container and just mix it till everything is mixed up. So now we have to store these in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 days before they are ready to eat. You can eat them, but the flavor and the taste will come after 1 to 2 days, and you can store them for 10 to 15 days. And if the onions finish, then you can re-add those onions. So please try this recipe at home. I'm very sure that you all will love this. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.